Hello everyone, I am Anjan and welcome to the 25th video tutorial of the Verilog course series. In this video, you will be seeing the part 2 of the PISO shift register, that is on the tool, that is Vivado tool, how the simulation and synthesis will work. And here is the Verilog code which I explained in my previous video, that is 24th video of the Verilog course. You can check out it in the Shastras YouTube channel playlist if you haven't watched it yet. And here is the here I simulated it, pre-simulated it for you, and here are the values which I have to give right now, and I am giving right now. And here I am giving force clock as, let it set it for binary, reading edge value 1 and trailing edge value 0, set it for time period should be 10 nanoseconds, and OK. And here is the load. I explained that in the first we will having the load condition, after that we will be having the shift condition, so that set the load for 1 and set OK, and give the values for the parallel input. I will give you the all the values at a time. 1010, set it for binary and click OK. And this is a temp which stores all the values of the parallel input values. Let's run it for 10 nanoseconds. Here I got it. I didn't get any output at this stage because there won't be any output in the load condition. There will be output in the only the shift condition. You can also observe this here. In the load condition there is no output. There is only output serial out in the else condition. This is load equal to 0. Here you can observe that the parallel input is just given to the TMP. That is A, and here also A, but one single clock pulse. That is in the load equal to 1 condition. Now let's set the load as 0. And check for 4 clock pulses so that we can understand a better. Here I got the values. You can see here. Here I will show the TMP value, and here I will show the parallel input value. This will be constant for the whole shift condition, but the TMP value will change. That is on the D flip flops. For the first clock pulse, that is here, one will be given outside, that is as an output, and this 0 will come here, this one will come here, this 0 will come here, and this in parallel input of 0 there will be 0 in the TMP condition. I am not telling here it will be. And here you can see that TMP as 0 1 0 0 and out is 1. Now here let's go here. This 1 will come here, and all the other values will be remain 0. Then 1 0 0 will be the TMP value, and the output will become 0 for this clock pulse. And for the next clock pulse, you can say just by seeing this 1 will come at output, that is 1, and all the other rest values will become 0. Here you got it. And the next clock pulse, it will be similar, like 0 will be the output and all the other will become 0. You can got it. And this is the simulation of how the simulation works with the PISO shift register. And let's move on to schematic part. This is a schematic of the PISO shift register. It is bit different from the which you saw in the previous video, but you say it is generated by the tool itself, so that we can't say anything. And here it uses the RTL register and mux, and two RTL registers and two muxes for designing of it. But the inputs and the outputs is just similar to both the conditions, that is clock, parallel input, 4-bit parallel input, load, and the serial output is the single output which we will get. And this is the condition will go. Here I will end the video, and if you are want to explore much more questions on related to Verilog, you can check out in the description box below. And if you like the video, do hit the like button below, and subscribe to the StartScratch YouTube channel. Thank you.